Welcome users to the short demonstration of Triton decompression therapy unit by Chattanooga. I'll show you how the machine looks first. This is how the machine looks. The screen can be rotated almost 360 degree, so it's convenient for the user to make the changes. Now this is the screen which comes when you first start the machine. It has separate section of cervical traction, lumbar traction. There are clinical protocols. We'll come to this later. There is a graphic library also and one rope release button. So I'll first start with the cervical traction. It shows the first option is the traction rationale. You can, if you want to read, there is some knowledge at hand. This is knowledge at hand. You can read something about it. Then the second option is traction technique. In this you can see the machine is shown along with the table. The table is recommended to buy along with this machine for full usage of, take the full benefits of this machine. This is a full table, you get a full table view. Okay, and after this traction technique, you have an edit. It shows all these parameters: maximum weight, minimum weight to be given. It is showing the progressive mode. I'll come to this in this one. This is the screen which you get. You can see first is the traction meter, then is the timer. Then this machine has 3 modes. You can see first is the progressive mode. This is the first part, initial part, which is very slow. We give the traction very slowly so as to the paraspinal muscles don't get activated, which cause the traction barriers. Then we have this is the traction mode, and this is the cooling down phase, the regressive mode. Now you can see the timing also. This is given for 1 minute, the main traction is given for 15 minutes, and the regressive mode is again 1 minute. Now in this mode you can see these modes: progressive is static and regressive mode is also static. I can change this to intermittent also for very acute cases. So this is how the treatment pattern, your traction program will look. Now you can add more steps also in this. That is 6 steps. Now you want to reduce the steps. So this is how the program will look. I can increase the time also. So progressive I have increased to 5 minutes. Now intermittent, there are 3 modes: static, intermittent, cyclic. So there are total 3: static, intermittent and cyclic. Now in regressive mode also, this I have to keep intermittent. In regressive mode also I can have an intermittent program. The steps can be adjusted. Now initially you have to like in all traction you have to enter the weight. The weight depends, as you know, for lumbar it's 1/3, and for 1/3 of the patient body weight, and for cervical it is less than 10 kg mostly. So if I'm saying selecting 5, minimum weight, say I'm entering enter. So I need to just set this and press the start button after applying the rope. After setting up the patient on the cervical device, I need to just start the machine, and you can see it's one light green color. So this is how this will you can see the traction meter here, 1 kg. Slowly it will go up to the weight I have set, 5 kg. So this traction is given very slowly. To press stop. After, now I will come to the lumbar traction. Lumbar traction also you get the traction rationale. Traction technique is shown here. You have two options. You can treat with this machine. You can treat the patient in supine position and also in prone position. In supine position, it is showing how to adjust the belt, how to correctly adjust the belt. Adjusting of the belt is most important in traction. The machine is showing the correct technique to apply traction, lumbar traction. This. Now similar to the cervical traction we have seen, you need to edit. This is the program. You need to edit the patient weight. Just edit the patient. I need to give him suppose 35 to 35. Minimum I'll say 5. Enter. Home, and I've just adjusted this. Now you have a pre-tension phase also. We can add for very acute cases. You can add pre-tension also. See, I'm adding pre-tension weight of 5 kg. So initially it will have a pre-tension of 5 kg. Now you can also increase the speed. Usually in the progressive phase the speed is low at 30%. There are 3 variation of speed which is not available in other machines. 3 speed is 30, 50 and 100%. So this also can be all can be programmed. Very easy to use. You need to just start, enter the user weight. If you want to make any changes in the progressive or the traction and regressive phase, you can just easily do it on the touch with a very smooth touch screen. I'll come to the other parameters here. Suppose you want to need some guidance initially to select the program. You go to the clinical protocols. Here it is showing disc involvement with muscle guarding, disc involvement without muscle guarding, and joint segments with muscle guarding. So in this it has automatically selected the program. See, this is the program. It has selected, steps are selected, timer is selected, everything. You need to just enter the user weight, which varies on patient to patient. Okay. Then I will clinical protocols. You can see it has for cervical, lumbar, both separate. Now we have a very good graphic library also. Now it has all this anatomical library. Suppose the patient comes for herniated disc, you can show him how the herniated disc looks like. This is good for patient education. The more the patient is educated, the more time he will take the treatment. he will complete his treatment if he is educated well. Degenerative disc, you can see one picture. Similarly for cervical. That's it. uh, I would say it's a very versatile machine with where you can have your own programs, very easy to use, user friendly. I will end this now. Thank you.